Hi, my name is Travis, and I've made over $17,000 in digital product sales. In this video, I'm going to break down the 14 types of digital products that are selling in 2026, including my personal favorite, number 7, where I make over $3,000 a month in passive income. I've sold over 2,000 digital products from Gumroad alone. So we'll get into some of these later. Let's jump into it. The first digital product that's selling in 2026 are Notion templates. You got this one. This is a big seller on Gumroad. You can see it has over 70 ratings. Notion is a very popular tool. It's very customizable, but because of that, people don't want to start from scratch. So if you have a Notion template that you've built from scratch, that is very valuable for businesses, entrepreneurs, freelancers. Notion templates are selling really well in 2026. Number 2, ebooks. Ebooks are selling. They've always been a seller. Ebooks are a classic digital product. Here's my ebook. As you can see, it's 42 pages called the Gumroad Growth System. Gumroad allows you to do this add-on. So if someone wants coaching or consulting, they can pay a bit more to get that in addition with the PDF guide. There's some screenshots. You always want to include screenshots of your work, give out some free value. But ebooks are selling really well, as they always have. Next are courses, digital course handbooks. Rather than filming yourself doing hours of video content, you can actually just create a course book. I love this course book, How to Dominate Twitter. You're selling the end goal. And as you can see, there's testimonials on here. There's different tweets and snapshots. That's what you want to do to sell. But again, these courses, you no longer have to do the traditional course method. You can just put it all into a bundle. So as you see here, he has course bundle for $49, another course essentials for $39. Courses sell really well in this format. The next digital product is social media planners, content calendars. These social media content calendars are very popular. This one has over 50,000 sales, and it's because it solves a problem. It's done for you. So many social media managers out there don't want to do the work of creating templates from scratch. And so these social media planners are very valuable. The next digital product is onboarding templates, client onboarding templates, welcome packets. All these things can be very helpful. So as you can see, this one has what emails to send to new clients, what proposals, how to format it. Again, if you have a template that works, there's value there. Client welcome packs, client onboarding. Again, people want things that are done for you. Very popular. The next are email templates. Email for drip campaigns, for marketing, for current customers. This is a 5 email sequence for $5. And obviously some people pay more, but it has 264 sales. Just something as simple as an email sequence that works. Again, if you're in marketing, if you have experienced email sequences that worked in the past, you can sell that. That's a very valuable tool. People want things that are done for you. Number 7, digital product prompt guides, prompt packs. This is my personal favorite. This one brings me over $2,000 a month in passive income. This is a prompting guide for Suno AI. That's a music generator. As you can see, I have it break down by decades, different styles of music, and the different prompts that you need to use to type into Suno AI. And I also have some tips and some how-to guides in there. But again, this is a big seller, and you can do this for anything. You can do it for ChatGPT. You can do it for Midjourney. There's so many AI tools out there that people want to know how to prompt. And then with that, if you want to create your own prompt guide, you can buy my Canva template. And that's number 8. The number 8 digital product to sell in 2026 are Canva templates. Again, people want things that are done for you. This is a Canva template that I use to create all my prompt guides, and I've saved it in Canva as a template, and then you can pay for it and get the link yourself. It saves a lot of time and hassle. But Canva templates are a very popular digital product in 2026. The next thing you could sell are planners, yearly planners, digital planners. This is an ADHD planner. It has over 50,000 sales. And as you can see, it's in 20 cards right now. This is a big seller. It's a lower price, only $7, but this has a lot in there. People want monthly planners, yearly planners, especially in January. They're wanting to stay organized for the new year. Digital planners are a big, big seller. The next digital product, SOPs for businesses. This is a restaurant SOP. So again, you can see they have spreadsheets in here. They have everything you would need to manage employees, manage inventory. You can do this for any business. If you have a business or you know of a business that has their SOPs written out, you can kind of white label it and sell that as a very valuable product. This person has over 35,000 sales just selling business SOPs like this. So again, you're bundling a bunch of SOP spreadsheets and Word documents together in PDFs, and you're selling it as a digital product. Content libraries. Content libraries are huge. This is a content vault for Reels and TikTok. People want content. They want content that's already done. They're not having to film anything. They're just purchasing from you. People pay for shortcuts. So this one's only $7. It's got tons of sales. This is a very popular category, helping people to elevate their social media by paying for already done for you Reels, TikToks, etc. Content vaults are very popular in 2026 and they will sell. This one is huge. This next one. These are journaling worksheets, journaling outlines. This is an anxiety worksheet, and this is a huge seller. $15. It's in 6 cards. It's had tens of thousands of sales. But essentially, it's just a PDF with fill in the blank that helps people to work through their anxiety. And you can do this with a lot of things. You can do this with meditation. Whatever your niche is, you can build journaling exercises around it. This is a very popular digital product. Next, this is a big seller. It's personalized children's books. Family Christmas this past year, we saw some of these get unwrapped on Christmas Day. This is very popular with parents to actually, now with AI, you can insert your children, make it personalized to them. So as you can see, it says Zach. So you're integrating personalized names and AI images into the storybook. This is very popular and it's not cheap. This is $40. It's in 17 cards. This has tens of thousands of sales. Children's Storybooks is making millions of dollars. It's a scalable business if you add automation. It's very popular in 2026. This is probably, my personal favorite that I'm not currently involved in, just because the demand is so hot right now. And then last but not least, lead magnets. Lead magnets, again, I've purchased lead magnets and ad packs and swipe files. These things are very popular in 2026. They allow people to know, okay, here's something that works. Here's something that grabs people's attention. So this lead magnet has welcome forms. It has challenges. Challenges are very popular forces of lead magnets. But again, this is a very big seller. If you're interested, these are 14 digital products I talk about in my book, Gumroad Growth System. I have 40 proven digital product ideas, and I go through my personal journey and framework of how I've scaled to $2,000 to $3,000 a month in passive income. If you're interested, I'll link that below. But again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you were inspired to create and sell a digital product in 2026.